Trying to get out of here. Been up since 7:30 and it's, what time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Still not ready. But I'm ready, my part. So hooked up, ready to go, cleaned, rods on the boat, and ready to go. So it's just, you know how it is. When you gotta get other people to go, it's a little harder. But here we go. Hopefully we get lucky today. There's no wind. If you guys notice, the trees are still, so hopefully it should be flat out. It says 10 out of the northeast, so it could be a little more, a little bit less. I'm going for the little bit less, but hopefully let me just keep pushing people because it looks like we ain't gonna go anytime soon. Come on, come on. Julie, you ready to eat your breakfast? You gotta go. Yes, you gotta go. What are you doing? Where's Gabby? You eating your breakfast that I made, that you always say on camera that I never make anything, right? That I never make anything?
Thank you.
Look at that. And I didn't record it to prove it. I should have recorded it to prove it. Right, Yuli? Yuli saw me. Oh, look, look. The pink Crocs. The one that got the video banned from YouTube. Look at those pink Crocs. Let's go. We gotta go. Gotta go. Yes, where to God. Yeah, y'all get water because I'm thirsty already. Oh, my glasses. Come on, let's go. Gabby and Yuli are already here. All right, got the leash. Let's go. Look at that. The monster's ready to go. He's always ready to go. Come on, let's go. Yeah, he's here. And like usual, ready. Eating breakfast on the run for what? To wait again. Where's Gabby? A brush, and why she hasn't closed the door?
Oh wait,
Go close the door, please. Got Gabby now. We're missing Joel. Where did Joel go? He went to the bathroom?
To your bathroom.
Oh my gosh. So why the effort of getting up early and eating on the run? When you guys are the last minute, take forever. Loaded. I'm ready. We just need the luck now. Because that's what fishing is all about. The luck. Let's see if we lucky today. You guys feeling lucky?
Yes.
Lucky, lucky?
Even if we have to stay until like 5. I'm gonna hurry. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
We'll see what happens. Yeah, we're drifting. The anchor hasn't grabbed yet. One of those days. You gotta break it. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to drift because it's too much current and it's too much wind blowing. Yeah, get the net, get the cast.
Oh, it's a little baby fish.
Is that what? What is it? Oh, another run.
Oh my god, that catfish in the back here.
What you got? See what you got. See what you got, girl. What? Oh my god. All that for that.
It's just that
Wait.
under the boat, like dragging against the boat.
All that for that.
That's fine.
Yeah, but come on. That's like a baby. Yeah, actually, I'll use it for bait.
Oh, stop it. I got something too.
You got something? What you got? Another baby jack? What you got? It ain't making a rod squeal.
Trust me, I'll catch it again.
Yeah. Oh!
That's a nice
Wow, that's a nice Pokemon. Wow, that's a nice one. What you got? Let me see what you got, boy. Yeah, the conditions today are not that good. Another Pokemon. You're a Pokemon, boy. You don't kill it. All you need is about 20 of those and we got dinner. Let me see. Wow, yeah, all you need is about 20 of those and we got dinner. Yeah, this is ridiculous. The conditions today are bad. It's like the wind is blowing one way, the wind is another direction, everything is bad. Drifting. See what happens. What do you think is gonna happen? Yep. I don't know. It's a weird conditions today because the wind is blowing out of the north, current's going north, and it's just the boat all over the place. So I don't know. But we trying our luck. That's all you can do. We're actually drifting over. What is this over here? Tentacle Towers, and I guess North Miami, Sunny House, but no luck. We got 2 jacks. No, talking about for bait. Yeah, 2 jacks and well, blue runners actually. And then then you're trying. What do you call that? What is that thing you're trying? That jig thing? A down jigger. That I don't like jigs, but I guess it's trying its luck. The sky is pretty though. That's one thing.
No clouds.
Yeah, there's no clouds. There's jellyfish in the water though. That means, yeah, there's jellyfish. I don't know if you can see it. See, there's one right there. There's jellyfish in the water. That means water's gonna start getting cold. That means kingfish gonna start running.
That doesn't mean that.
Yeah, it does. Kingfish closest to shore when.
That's mackerel.
Yeah, cool. Okay, Spanish mackerel too. Yeah, bring him up, fight him up. Look, close the drag a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Alright, grab the net. Where is it? Yeah, the net. Okay, come on, work it. Live action. Where is it? I don't see nothing. Where? Oh yeah, it's nice. What is it? Oh, big pokey. Get it, Gabby. Come on, Gabby. You can get that pokey, girl. I said, big. Come on, Gabby. Bring it over. Oh, look at that. Teamwork. That's a big pokey.
Big mama.
Big mama got a big pokey. That was a nice one. Let me see. Hold it up.
With shrimp.
Oh, you got that teamwork. Little mama, big mama. Let's see. Hold it up. Hold that thing up, girl. No, but hold it. No, hold it. Yeah, let me see. Wow. It's a big one. Hold on, let me take a picture.
Right.
Right there. I guess we're taking everything home. Grunt, no grunt. Hoagie, anything. We're desperate today. Chef en la casa. Check out the sandwiches. Wow, that's neat.
Pastor, do you want mustard or not? No. You know what type of chef I am? Yeah.
What kind of chef you are? The eating type?
No, ceviche. I want mustard.
Ceviche chip?
I love anything that's sour.
Anything that's sour?
Chewy, sour, crunchy. Check in there.
Cantimpalo? I gave you the cantimpalo.
No, then I gave it back to you. Pastor, look in the corner real quick for cantimpalo.
Or then the corner. There's a new bread.
I know there was 2 different cards and I asked you, but you didn't answer. You said if you wanted the oatmeal one.
Oh, yeah, boo.
Fine. I don't want my again. That's fine.
Come on, baby. This is gonna be our last spot. This is like 5th, 6th spot. Gonna get lucky here. That's it. It's over.
Where'd the hook go?
We going home. The hook go? So that's it. No more. No more moving around. I feel like I went to the gym working out, pulling out the ankle so much. We're at 64. So, here we go. Yo, it's a big. Get the cat. Get the net. Right here, I got the.
You see it?
You see it?
Oh,
Here.
no, gallego. Jack.
Oh, Jack.
Jack, my mom likes jacks.
Hands left right there. Jump at Jack. Yahoo!
Oh, yo, really? Joe got one too.
Got one too? What you got? Let's make up the best of it. But that's it. From here, we out it. What you got? What do you got? Dude, how far were you?
Far.
Oh, another Jack?
Another one next. And you're leaving.
Oh, that, bring it up. That's a nice Jack. Come on, bring it up before it falls. That was a nice one. That's eatable. Tried everything today. But it's just one of those days. Just catching grunts. What's up, blue runner? Look at those two pokies. That's it. Yep. All this waiting around got everybody sleeping.
I like this though.
Everybody's sleeping. Say it's about time to go, right?
What the heck?
Look at this. I done anchor, another anchor. Oh my God. What a joke.
And we still weren't even anchored. That's what's funny.
That's how we were drifting, because we wasn't anchored. Notice the fishing wasn't that great, nothing to brag about, but the day sure was. It was a nice sunny clear day, and actually the cool breeze made it even better. I mean, the wind in the beginning was a little bit annoying because it threw the boat around, but once it settled down, it made the day a lot better and we had a great time.